Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. We're just going to have a quick look at all the buttons on the steering wheel. I'm just going to quickly explain what they all do, and we'll go into more detail on cruise control buttons and things like that when I take the car out, when we cover cruise control in this car. But I can link you to a video in the Yaris Hybrid because the functions are the same for the Yaris Hybrid, and to be honest, all the buttons on the dashboard are the same as the Yaris Hybrid. So again, I'll link to what everything does in the Yaris Hybrid videos, but we will cover them separately in separate videos for the Aygo. So we'll work from the left hand side. We've got what I call the back button. So if you're ever in the menu on the center screen on the dash, you back out of it using that. That's obvious. Telephone button, it brings this. Let's come out of that and I'll show you. I'll push the button and it puts you straight into the telephone menu on the big screen. In the previous video where I was showing you the center screen here, these buttons here control all the functions on the center screen. That's what they're all for. Everything makes sense. Then we've got volume up and down, and you've got voice command in this car. Hey Google, go home.
You'll need to turn on location services for that. Want to turn it on just this once, or while using Siri? Which home address?
Gamma Road.
Here it is on the map.
So you can actually talk to the car and it will take you home. It's a function I don't personally use, but it's built into the car. If you want to use it, you can use it. I don't personally use it. I tend to just do my sat nav on the center screen before a journey and leave it alone. Coming to the other buttons quickly. This button here is used when you're in cruise control for setting your distance between the car in front when you're on cruise control. This button turns off the lane centering. Then we've got the cruise control buttons. We've got speed limiter and we've got radar cruise control on this car, and the functions are accessed on this button. This one is the center one. You set your speed, or if you've touched the brakes because something's happened, you can just reset using that button, or you can quickly cancel the cruise on that button where it says cancel. Then you've got your mode button, which is for flicking from radio, DAB, USB, your phone music. And then you've got two more buttons here, which is skipping tracks or changing channels on the radio. You'll get used to where all the buttons are, but they all make perfectly good sense and why they've been positioned where they are. Everything is very, very well laid out on the Toyota steering wheel. Once again, thanks for watching. Please consider liking, please consider subscribing.